Hey guys, I just wanted to apologize for not posting in a while. After spending almost 2 months back in America with my daughter Lauren, I arrived back in the Philippines around the second week of January, and I started making my way back to Bicol, where Arlene and my baby Pipa have been staying while I was gone. Other than the sheer excitement of seeing my queen and my baby Penelope again, I was also excited just to get out of the city and back into the laid-back living of life in the province. It was so exciting to be back, and one of the first things that we did was open up some gifts that were sent to us by my cousin Dulce from Los Angeles, California. So let me show you a clip of that.
Oh my goodness, she have a shoes.
She have a shoes too?
Yes.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
That's so cute.
Wow, it's nice, baby. Look.
Oh, nice.
Wow, look, Pipa. See?
That is. Oh, that's for Pipa again.
Pipa again.
That's for Arlene.
For Pipa.
Oh, that's for Pipa.
Oh, look. She's so cute. Oh, she have a pants.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so cute. Look at this dress. Oh my goodness. So pretty. This is for you.
Let me see. That's not for me. That's yours right there. I think that's for Arlene.
Like this. Thank you.
No backstage passes. Oh, thank you, Ate Dulce.
Oh, this is for you. Chocolate.
You think it's chocolate?
Let's see. Oh, let's see.
Okay. We're gonna open that soon.
Wow. Tastes good, baby.
Good? Thank you, Ate Dulce. I love you.
This.
Take a bath now. People's gonna come out.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a bath.
Wow, fresh na yung baby Pipa ni Mama.
Buhi is about 1 hour south of Naga City and about 30 minutes east of Iriga City, two of the closest cities to this jungle paradise. In Buhi, you won't find any white sand beaches or any island hopping adventures, but what you will find is a jungle, hiking, fishing, and just the realization of how to live off the land. You'll meet some of the most amazing Filipinos out here. If you're looking for a peaceful place where no one can find you, then this place is by far the perfect place for that. Internet is pretty much non-existent, and having a car is really a luxury. I really enjoy it here, but unfortunately with my business, I can't stay here for a very long time, as working on the internet is the way that I earn a living. So if I want to support my new family here in the Philippines, I would have to be near an area that has decent Wi-Fi connections, which is really difficult to find here in the Philippines. At any rate, this is one of my favorite places in the Philippines so far. This time around, I spent about a week with Arlene's family before heading back to Manila. One of the things that we did was that we spent a day at the Balerite Resort. Are you ready to go swimming?
Yes.
Are you excited about the big slide? Okay, you have your bathing suit ready? Okay, Pipa's excited to go swimming. Oh, yes. It's pretty much a remote place and a bit tough to get to if you don't have the right vehicle. There's not a lot of people that come here. You have to go through this really rocky off-road type of trail to get through this seclusive type of resort. Once you arrive, the place is a small resort oasis in the middle of nowhere. There were about 3 pools complete with water slides, cottages for family picnics, a pavilion for events, a restaurant, gift shop, and even a small hotel for people who would like to spend a night. The kids really enjoy the pool area, and the adults just enjoy the conversation and the entertainment of watching the kids having the time of their life. Keep in mind, guys, Most of the kids in the area, let alone the adults, cannot even afford to go to a place like this, even though the admission fee for this was only 50 pesos, which is only about $1, and that's for 12 hours. So watching the kids play was a great sight to see. The huge water slide was the main attraction, and even Arlene's brother Joni went down it. It's probably even the first time he's ever did anything like that. If you're ever in Buhi and you're looking for a place to relax by the pool, then I'd definitely check out the Balerite Resort. It's no Shangri-La by any means, but what do you expect from a small village like Buhi? Just enjoy the moment, guys, and the lush mountains surrounding the resort. And really, guys, leave your phones and your laptops at home. The next day we ended up going to Naga City. So we're here in Naga City. We're here with the girls. You guys remember the girls here? The last time they were here, we actually took them to the cinema for the first time. We're back again. We're gonna watch Bumblebee or what do you guys want to watch? That's the only. Okay, they want to watch Aquaman. We're actually staying here for a couple nights so I can get some work done. As always, anything that we do with Arlene's nieces is just plain fun. We checked into Sleep Pads, a hostel slash guest house a place that we've been before, and just had a nice relaxing time. We also checked out this place called Hacienda de Naga, which is pretty much a residential housing community that offers all kinds of activities for the family, like a huge wave pool, a zoo, ATV excursions, and even an obstacle course. Can you believe that? We didn't stay very long, but it was a fun day exploring and just being somewhere that we've never been before. Before we knew it, our week in Buhi just flew right past us, and it was time to head back to Manila to get settled down in our new house. It's always tough to say goodbye to Buhi, but we already were making plans to come back. So don't worry, Buhi. We'll be seeing you sooner than later.